Okay, so in our model, this represents the cell, this represents the cell receptor, this represents the insulin, and the ball of string over there represents the glucose.
Okay, so in a normal human being, the pancreas produces insulin, and when it hits a cell receptor, it allows the blood to take in glucose from the bloodstream.
So the glucose is able to go inside the cell and produce energy.
Then there is type 1, where insulin productivity stops because there's a problem with the cells that produce it. And so the glucose just starts to build up, and it doesn't go in. It'll just keep building up at raised glucose levels.
Right. And glucose just keeps on building up, and it's not able to go inside the cell to give energy. The next type is type 2 diabetes. There's two ways that it can happen. One is the really main cause, and more like obvious cause, is fat buildup. So this is our fat buildup, and it's gonna basically stop the insulin from hitting the receptor. Right. So the receptor did not fall. It did not open the gate. So glucose just keeps on building up and building up. Right. And building up. And then the next type of type 2 would be when the insulin is there, but it's not like the right key. It's like on the track, but it's not, it missed it by this much. So this is what happens. It was on the right track, there was nothing inflicting it, but it wasn't the right key, so it missed it. And glucose just keeps on building up and building up. And that's how we would show glucose and insulin to a cell in regular body.